Hello and welcome to yo-tas Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making kourabiedes. Now I make several different types of kourabiedes, but I'm going to show you today our normal kourabied. The kourabied that you would eat if you went, let's say, to a zaharoplastion, or if you went to somebody's home and they're like, hey, katsikato mesekeraso. Which means sit down and do me the honor. So basically you're going into their home, and no matter what Greek home you go to, now things have changed of course since I was younger, but anytime somebody came into the house they always had something to give to the guest, whether it was several cookies, kourabiedes or kourake or anything else, or chocolates or a little ouzo. Depending on who it was, of course, because not everybody got ouzo. But anyway, I hope you enjoy my recipe for kourabiedes, and I will make the chiotikes kourabiedes on another segment. But let's get started. I'll show you first the ingredients, and then I'll blend them together. We go from there. Thank you. Okay, let's go over the ingredients for kourabiedes. 4 sticks unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour unbleached, that's what I use, 2 egg yolks, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of coarsely chopped walnuts. To put 1 quarter stick of butter in at a time, and as it softens we're going to add the sugar. I'm just going to pour it all in on the bottom. It prevents it from splashing up and going all over me. So I'm going to start out slow. Okay, now that it's like whipped cream with the way the consistency looks, we're going to add the eggs, and it's okay to add both of them together. Okay, let's add the vanilla extract, and then add a few spoonfuls or spatulafuls, and go slow so you don't get the flour all over you. So the dough feels pretty good. It is a little soft, which if it happens where you can't form a cookie, then just stick it in the refrigerator for a few hours, let it harden a little bit, and then make your cookies. But let's see, once I have my hands in there, what it feels like, and then I'll know. I'm also going to blend it in a little better because everything sticks to the bottom. And because it sticks to the bottom of the bowl here, that means that it's not really blended in as well as if you used your hand. But to each his own. The dough feels perfect. So I added the walnuts. Just mix them in. Perfect. Okay. So let's start. So if you haven't noticed, what I'm doing is I'm just taking about the size of a walnut. I'm rolling it in my hands, as you can see, and then I just flatten it. Okay, so I just finished forming the cookies. These are the Kourabiedes, and I'm getting ready to stick them in the oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to cook them for about 20 minutes a piece, so I'm going to stick them both in the oven. I have a convection oven, so it will cook both of them evenly no matter which rack I have them on. I'll be back in 20 minutes to show you what they look like. Thank you for watching Yo-tas Kitchen. Okay, I just took the cookies out of the oven, and I don't know, for some reason I thought the convection oven cooked everything evenly, but the bottom rack looks a little darker than the top rack. And although they're not burnt, let me see if I can pick one up. It's really hot. They're not burnt. You can see the difference. So I'm just going to let them cool down a little bit. I'm going to put them on a wire rack, and I'll be back in a second. Thank you for watching Yo-tas. And we want them to be a little bit warm when we put them in the sugar, because we want the sugar to adhere to the cookies. So first cookie, put it in. Look at that, beautiful, but it's not done. So, because we want to dress them up, we're going to put them in a cupcake holder. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, so then we're going to go to the next one. And we're going to continue this until we have a tray full of cookies ready to serve. I'll be back when I'm completed. Thank you. Okay, welcome back to Yo-tas Kitchen. So here are the Kourabiedes. They look perfect, right? They look beautiful. I could probably fit one more in here. But anyway, for right now, they're good. But we're not done yet, because even though we have the sugar on it, it doesn't look powdery. And it doesn't look powdery because we didn't sift the sugar before we put the Kourabiedes in there. And we're going to just continue doing that until we get them the consistency we want. There you go. Okay, so the Kourabiedes are made. I showed them to you. They came out perfect. Here they are. So somebody comes to your home and you have them in a cupcake holder. It holds all the sugar in there, and then all you do is lift it. It is so good. Next to Kourabiedes, I think this is my favorite cookie. Look at that. Perfect. It melts in your mouth good. Thank you. I hope you like the recipe. Let me know if you try it and what you think. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Have a great day. Thank you.